Hello guys, so I'm here with one exciting session for the GATE aspirants. If you are aiming for the GATE examination, please kindly don't miss this session because with my 15 years of experience in the teaching, I've mentored many students, but I have seen the students who have succeeded in the GATE examination. Similarly, I have seen many students who failed in the GATE examination. So I have analyzed all the mistakes done by most of the students who are not able to succeed in this examination, and I am bringing you few very important points or the most common mistakes done by any GATE aspirant. So there are two important tools. If you are able to follow those two important tools, then only there is not even 1% compromise. I can confidently say that then only you will be able to succeed in this GATE examination. So I am going to explain those two important tools in this video. It will be applicable for any branch. It need not be for EC, electrical, instrumentation, computer science. It can be any branch. These particular two tools are very important. Maybe you might know by this time, you might have guessed this, but still I'll explain that. So you can see here, mastering the GATE, the power of PYQs and test series. The power of PYQs and test series. These are the two important tools. Why PYQs are important? Let me explain. Many students commit this mistake. How they do the preparation is they will attend the classes. It can be a coaching class, it can be YouTube class, it can be anything, offline, online, whatever may be the source of their preparation. They will complete their preparation. Once they have done with the preparation, they will immediately find to solve the questions from some workbooks available in the market. Please don't do that. If you prepare from any workbook, please believe in me, you will never succeed in the GATE examination. So workbooks are never made by any professors, any teachers. They are always made by some interns working in the any institute. I'm not saying about one, it is applicable for all. Any workbook available in the market cannot give you the GATE rank, believe in me, because you might be using those kind of workbooks etc for your JE preparation. You may be thinking that it will work for the GATE examination also, but it will not work. So for GATE examination, the best strategy you should do is prepare the previous year question papers immediately after completing a chapter from the classroom, immediately after completing a subject from the classroom. Revise your notes, which is compulsory, otherwise you will lose the confidence. Revise, then compulsory do the PYQs, because PYQs will let you know what examiner is expecting from you. From that you can understand, okay, these are the examiner requirement, my preparation matches to the examiner. So please understand, PYQs are not only for students, it is important for the teachers also. Any teacher who teaches you for the GATE exam, first they will check the PYQs, they will check their content, whether the content is matching, reaching the PYQs or not. Accordingly, they will make their content. The same way, your preparation should also be in line with the PYQs. So let's move further. I'll explain one best strategy here is, so you can see here, if you are from CSC DA also, you can apply this logic. But if you are from EC, electrical instrumentation, for you people, around 60 to 70% of the syllabus is common, right? Like network analysis, digital circuits, control systems, maths, aptitude, signals and systems, analog circuits. All these subjects are common for all these three branches. So you can be from any of the branch. You can be from EC, you can be from electrical, you can be from instrumentation. It doesn't matter. You must be thorough with at least last 20 years of the question papers, last 20 to 25 years if possible, question papers of the GATE, all these three branches for the common subjects. Suppose digital circuits is there, it is common for ECE, CSC, electrical, instrumentation also. Maths, it is common for any branch for most of the chapters. So for them you should go with all the branches, because this is where you will understand examiner what he is expecting from you. You can understand here one thing, these questions are made by IT professors. How the GATE paper is made, a panel pool of the professors will make you one single paper. In that, maybe each teacher, each professor may be making you hardly 3 to 4 questions. So those questions are very good quality. Like when you do the question, you will feel, you'll enjoy the question. Even you commit the mistake, from the mistake you will be learning something. Or from the options also, you will be learning many things. Why this option is correct? Why not this option is correct? And how can I do this question in multiple ways? All these kind of conceptual things you will be getting a very good knowledge on par with reading a textbook, maybe giving you the concepts, but doing the PYQs can give you more analytical skills. So those because if you solve some questions, those questions must be framed by some professors, some qualified persons. It is not from random workbook available in the market. If you purchase random workbooks available in the market and do the questions, you may feel the question is difficult, but you never feel satisfied after seeing the solution. Also you feel okay, it is like this only. But if you see a GATE question which is really tough, After seeing the question, you will understand, okay, this much depth is there in this question paper. Okay, very good. This question, from this question, I am able to learn something. This kind of feeling you will be getting it from the question paper, PYQs of the exam. And other than this, you can see UPSC Electrical Engineering Service Examination. Here also the question papers are made by IIT professors or top university professors only. And you can see here there are two specializations, uh, electrical engineering and electronics and telecommunication. In this also, objective questions every year, around 150 questions they are giving you. Last 15 years you take electrical EC together, you get 4500 questions. If you take 20 years, around 5000 questions. In that 5000, you remove 2000 questions which are repeating or which are not in your gate syllabus, etc. Even though you will get 3000 good number of questions, and here you are getting very good number of questions. This is the proper question bank for your gate preparation. If you prepare these questions, believe in me, you definitely succeed. You definitely succeed. You can measure yourself where you are compared to examiner requirement. Understand? Similarly, you can see here there are other question papers like ISRO, DRDO, JTO, AED examinations, and there is one important thing like UPSC Civil Services, Electrical Engineering optional, prelims up to 2009. They used to give you 150 questions of objective every single year. This is also available in the market. You can purchase these question papers. Now it is a CSAT. Earlier days I am saying. So all these question papers are made by some experts. You see any workbook, they copy from here only. They may change the numbers. That is the game. I know it personally. So I suggest you, if you are going for the gate preparation, without doing this, if you prepare for your gate examination, it is of no use. It is of no use. So let's move further. So you can see here the gate challenge. You can see, you will understand the examiner's exam procedure, everything. So why PYQ? PYQ will tell you what examiner is expecting from you, and also it will tell you the difficulty levels. And you can see this is definitely a blueprint for your success. If you want to succeed in the gate examination, you must follow the PYQs. I don't see any person who succeeded in the gate exam without solving the PYQs. Exceptions may be there for one or two people, but 99% I can say we cannot succeed without solving the PYQs properly. Many students will commit this mistake. Without doing PYQ, they always run after the workbooks by different institutes and they worry a lot. No, do the PYQs, do the PYQs. Keep it as the first priority in your gate exam preparation, but never prepare PYQs without learning the concepts properly. So let's move further. You can see here from the PYQs, you will identify the trend analysis and your concepts will become more and more stronger, and you can understand which topics more questions are appearing, which topic frequently questions are coming. For example, network analysis there. Every single year they are giving question from the transient. Every single year they are giving question from resonance, power calculations. Like that, we can understand the trend of the examiner, right? So nobody can guess 100%, but you can understand the trend and you can get the confidence. Yes, my preparation is in line with the examiner requirement. That you can understand from the PYQs only. So you can see here the next important tool for you is test series. Test series, why it is very important? If I give a gate paper to any student, if I give the gate paper and I ask you to solve it from your home, 90% of the students can solve it very easily, because many people will see the gate paper and they will say, Are, it is very easy. No, on the time, the real game will be when you are writing the exam in the real time environment. So I know many people who are writing the GATE exam repeatedly committing this mistake of silly mistakes. There is a game because the negative marking, committing the silly mistakes, examiner always tries to pull you to do some silly mistake and he will show you that option in the options and you will commit the mistake. He will be winning by giving you the negative marking. So there are many students who commit the silly mistakes in the real-time environment. So to avoid that and also to improve your time management, you must, so two important tools, accuracy and your time management. So effectively you should complete your gate exam, and also you should be here, please listen, even in gate exam, out of the 100 questions, so 65 questions, if you have given, if you have attempted 30 questions, no problem, 30 out of 30 you should get the right answers. If you have given 40, you're getting 35, no use, those people will never succeed. Whoever gives 30 or 40, whatever maybe, who are 100% accurate, they will only succeed in the gate exam, because negative marking plays a very important role here. I'm just saying the example of 35 40, but whoever give a trial, whoever are not accurate, they will never succeed in the gate exam. 100% every single student, including me when I was a student, committed or commits the mistakes, silly mistakes in the gate exam. So even you know the answer, on the time of real time examination you will be committing the mistake. So to avoid that, one only solution is test series. But unfortunately in the market, in the current scenario, there is no single test series which is really good, catering the students real requirement for the gate exam, because these test series are also made by the interns. The questions are what we call unrealistic or unprecedentedly, they are very tough compared to the real-time examination toughness. They are irrelevant compared to the real time. Like that, the questions are there. So finally, I can say after writing the test series, some people are losing their motivation also. But use it, utilize it to improve your accuracy, to identify your mistakes. Test series, one important way is, if you write an exam, you will revise entire subject easily. Entire subject if you want to revise. So three different ways you should write the examination. Once the chapter is completed, write an exam. Once one subject is completed, write an exam. Once the next subject is commencing, you should write the previous subject exam. It will revise. Once you write the whole subject examination, you will be revising all the topics. At that time, if you forget any particular formula, then you can use one short notes, update it and mark it red. Later you can revise properly, and you can identify your silly mistake, you can identify your weakness, everything. And real time ranking you will be getting from the test series. In that way, positively you should use it, the test series. And never take it seriously if you are seeing some questions which are irrelevant, you are not able to answer it. Those things you need not worry about it. Test series marks need not be correlated for your real time final marks. So keep this point in your mind. Okay, and other than that, you should see here, test series, as I told you, is the best way to revise your subject. Okay, so you can see here, other than that, you can see uh, you will be getting your performance analysis. Your score will be definitely improved 10 to 15% if you keep writing the test series. Keep a habit of writing a test every week, at least one test every week. You should write at least one test. Keep it in your mind, I am writing one test every single week, that's it. It may be topic wise, subject wise, mixed subject wise, or full length. Later full length you can give at the last end. Last 15 days you can give every day one exam. So 16th day you might be giving the right real examination in the same window where you are every day you are giving the mock exam. Then it will become a habituation, right? So anyway, keep a point, make a note that write exam every single week, at least one exam. Keep it in your mind. So you can see here, after the writing your test series, you'll get the detailed solutions. You'll identify your mistakes, strengths, weakness, everything. And you can see PYQ plus test series combinedly will make you to master your gate examination. So definitely it is the topper strategy. Don't miss the PYQs, don't miss the test series, never neglect it. Always don't rush to complete the syllabus only, attend the classes only. Keep an eye on test series and PYQs. Definitely they will be helping you to succeed for sure. And here I want to show you one thing. Our gate EC, even for CS also, we are starting the test series from 17th May. And for the first time, the teachers are making the questions here, and the test series is completely curated by the teachers only. The teachers are making the questions and giving you the best quality content here. If it is for EC students, it is completely free. Even for CSE students also, it is hardly, I think, 999 after all the discount. Even our gate subscription is also as low as below 6,000 if you use the code AIMGATE. That's it for about this session. So please keep in mind about the test series and PYQs. Okay, see you all.